Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Yes, I've had a haircut. Thank you very much to the family members here in my incredible family who are hairdressers. So I've had a trim. Thank you very much. All right, guys, just wanted to say a massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. Look at that incredible number up there. Thank you very much. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a daily basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Jump on all the websites I've recommended in all of my videos: Masari.io, Luna Crush, Reddit, Medium, TikTok if you have to, just be careful on that. Twitter and Google everything. It will give you confidence before jumping into investing. Also, my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you got to set a limit for yourself because you can lose money, bang, like that in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. All right, so now the formalities are out of the way, guys. I'm going to get into some updates in relation to, you know, XRP and XDC, my favorite cryptos. But I just want to talk about one thing in particular, which is dollar cost averaging. I'll get into that in a second, but before we do that, I have to talk about my CoinSpot account here because we're all in the green at the moment. Now, for those of you who are new to cryptocurrencies, there is a referral link below. Feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? It's only going to go up in value. All right, so let's have a look at this, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at $60,000 today, which is incredible. It is up 3.59%. Ethereum, $4,200. Cardano, $3. BNB, $533. XRP, $1.35. Great buying opportunity still. Solana's at $199. Polkadot, $40. Dogecoin, 28 cents. Keep scrolling down to my favorite projects. Stellar XLM's 39 cents. Here we go here. VeChain is at 12 cents, which is incredible as well. Theta is up to $7, which is awesome. Hedera, 46 cents. Keep scrolling down here. Shiba Inu's up as well, guys. Neo's up to $54. Keep scrolling down here, and XDC, 18 cents. They're pretty much all my favorites on CoinSpot here, guys, and obviously there's a couple others that I hold, and I'll show you that later in my portfolio. But so, guys, honestly, with regards to cryptos now, I mean, there's not a lot happening in the media and the news at the moment. I think it's pretty flat until something big happens, you know, particularly with this XRP Ripple case. If something happens in the next couple of months, it'll be crazy for the entire market. But it's just a great time to dollar cost average into these cryptocurrencies. Now, for those of you who have been asking about dollar cost averaging and what it means, I'm just going to show you something here, right? Well, I'm not going to show you that. Let me open up my internet here. So dollar cost averaging, what is it? So dollar cost averaging, DCA, is an investment strategy in which an investor divides up a total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset in an effort to reduce the impact of volatility in an overall purchase. The purchases occur regardless of whether the asset price and at a regular interval. So regardless of price, you're just averaging in every single week. So basically, okay, say for example, you earn, I don't know, like $1,000 a month. And from that $1,000, you want to allocate, you know, say $200 every month. So basically you can split that up, you know, every month you allocate $200 from your $1,000 wage every month into an investment such as cryptos or stocks or whatever you want to invest in. Or, you know, if you want to split that $200 up, you can invest, you know, $50 a week. So you've got 4 payments every week into your cryptos or investments, whatever it may be. So you basically, every week or month or, you know, whatever time you can basically allocate or money you've got to allocate that every single week or month consistently. That's dollar cost averaging, and you're not necessarily worried about price fluctuations. You know, with cryptos especially, it's all volatile, but you're not worried about that volatility because you're consistently buying at virtually through all these, you know, ups and downs on a consistent basis every week. So that's pretty much what it is. So if you've got $50, you want to buy every single week, you just allocate a day or whatever time, you know, date or time, whatever it is, every single week. That's when you're going to buy your cryptos. You're going to invest that $50 or whatever amount you can sort of allocate. That's basically dollar cost averaging. So you're not just throwing in, you know, for example, like $1,000 at a time at the peak of the market, or, you know, $100, you know, when it's, you know, FOMO, everyone's FOMOing into cryptos. You're basically buying consistently, and it's been proven to be very beneficial over time, and it's actually seen some incredible returns for a lot of investors out there. That's incredible. That's what I do anyway. So basically every month I allocate a certain amount of money and bang, I invest it into my investments. I'm not necessarily throwing in huge sums of money at one big time. It's just consistent throughout the year, and it's worked really well for me. So that's basically what dollar cost averaging is. All right, other than that, guys, we've got some updates with XRP Ripple. Obviously, they have started the NFT investment there, fund of $250 million, which is incredible. The other thing I want to point out as well is that I actually wasn't aware of this, but Google has actually backed Ripple, believe it or not, in the early days. This is in 2016. So Google backed blockchain startup Ripple raises $55 million from big banks. So Ripple, a Google-backed startup, uses blockchain technology to settle transactions between some of the world's biggest banks. I didn't know Google, or in actual fact it's Alphabet, was backing Ripple as well. So this is just another, incredible company such as Google, Alphabet, that's backing Ripple. And, all the big financial institutions have backed Ripple. So look, guys, in terms of XRP, they've got some serious backing here, and obviously, with regards to the SEC case going on at the moment, where they're saying they used XRP as a source of funding and security, they had already backing by major investors before, all this stuff, kind of happened with the SEC. It was already funded, by many investors before, and all the systems were set up before this case. So, it just goes to show again that this case with the SEC is just losing, it's just crazy, the fact that they're trying to say that it's XRP is a security when it's clearly not. They've had a lot of setups beforehand, everything was done beforehand. XRP is purely just a currency and a blockchain. That's it. It's not a security where you have voting rights to the company. I just don't understand this. But anyway, I just found that curious and awesome. Sorry, that Google has backed XRP Ripple back in the day, which is awesome. And obviously, you've got standard, funding rounds from Standart Chartered, Accenture Ventures, SCB Digital Ventures, guys, the venture arm of Siam Commercial Bank. You've got Japan's SBI Holdings, which I know have obviously just recently put out that bridge there, which is incredible. Additional investors include Santander InnoVentures, the venture units, the CME Group, and the Seagate Technology and Venture 51. So just really cool stuff, guys. I mean, I keep going about this. I strongly predict if the settlement takes place and this case either gets settled behind closed doors or it gets thrown out by Judge Netburn, as there's a constant battle going on here, the price of XRP will easily go to $10 to $15. That's without question, because there's just too many people now that are looking at it. It's all over the news. If once full-blown adoption takes place, and I did put that video up on my YouTube channel where there's a venture funds that say that it's going to hit 10 to 30k. That could happen in many years to come. Anything's possible in crypto, but it would require a substantial amount of currency and volume going through it, and obviously global adoption from financial institutions and hedge funds. Who knows what will happen with the ETF sections as well if that happens and it gets added to ETFs. It's mega. So anyway, that's just one part of it. The other one is Sinfin, guys. Obviously, we've got TradeTech teams up with Singapore's exchange Infinite or Sinfin to provide tokenized trade finance. This is huge for XDC. And, XDC has been one that's very quiet out there at the moment. Not many people are talking about it, which is strange to me. So TradeTech has teamed up with Singapore's headquartered exchange Infinite Sinfin to provide tokenized trade finance products to institutional investors, and has carried out its very first transaction, which is incredible as well. This is reportedly the first complete end-to-end transaction following a unique set of regulatory guidelines and trade finance standards, according to the update shared with CI. The offering utilizes the XDC network's enterprise-grade blockchain or distributed ledger DLT to transform trade finance assets where a repackaged and distributed by TradeTech into a non-fungible token, so NFT. So institutional investors are able to purchase and sell these digital tokens. Institutional investors, guys, which represent the value of an off-chain asset. This gives token holders legal entitlement to an asset or package of assets, the announcement noted. So the release also mentioned that the first transaction was carried out on September 20. So what are we now, the 30th? So not long ago, a couple of days ago, the invoice finance firm accelerated payments as the asset originator. This transaction sets the standard for all future NFT-based and tokenized trade finance transactions, with additional originators expected to join the platform over the coming weeks. This is incredible, guys, for XDC. really bullish on XDC. It's a hidden gem. Honestly, I strongly don't believe it's going to be sitting around that price point for very long, which it's currently at the moment. I believe it was, and I'll just quickly have a look again. Where are you? Let's just have a quick look, because I don't think this is going to stay at 18 cents. There's no way this is going to stay like this for long. Definitely going to be dollar cost averaging into this. Other than that, guys, let's have a look at Twitter, because the legend Jeremy Hogan has put some interesting stuff up about the XRP case. I forgot to mention that before. So there was legal analysis of XRP by the SEC in 2018, which analysis can be only one of three things, guys. XRP is not a security. Enough said. XRP may be a security. This is fair notice gold. XRP is a security. If so, why try to so hard to hide the analysis? So a legal expert here, a legal analysis, of XRP, a memorandum by the SEC's Division of Corporate Finance circulated amongst this certain SEC individuals on June 13th, the day before the Human Free Press speech. This is interesting stuff, guys. Honestly, the SEC is just playing stupid. They're just ridiculous. You know, they're just dragging everything through the mud here to delay the inevitable, which is XRP to take off and go to the moon. This is what we're all hoping for, guys. But that's an interesting tweet there by Jeremy Hogan 11 hours ago. Waiting for his video, because he provides awesome clarity in these cases, guys. Other than that, let's have a look at CoinMarketCap today. I'm going to check out the total market cap today. It's sitting at $2.6 trillion, the entire market cap there for the entire crypto market. Trading volume has been $124 billion, guys. Unbelievable. BTC is still at the top of the game here. Obviously, we all know this. Ethereum at 18%. Cryptocurrencies is growing every day, guys. 12,000 currencies, and we are in the green in the last 24 hours. But again, I go to the all year, and we are still in the green. And in all time, we are still well and truly in the green, guys, because we are early into this. I'm going to show you my portfolio now, and then I'll get into something that I've found, and it's quite interesting, and I'm trying it out at the moment. So stick around for that. So here's my crypto portfolio, all in the greens. I'm holding Bitcoin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Stellar, Tron, VeChain, Theta, Hedera, Shiba Inu, Neo, BTT, AMP, XDC, bullish on that, Theta Fuel, Holochain, Talcoin, Seacoin, Digibyte, ANKR, XYO, VThor token, Winlink, Constellation DAG, that is down today by 16%, which is a lot. I'm still holding that because it's a great, project. Reef, holding that. Ecomi, very bullish on Ecomi. I'm not talking about that one. Electronium, Acropolis. Ubix is the one that I picked up yesterday. It's a great project, very, very early. It's like an early stage Ethereum, so check it out. I did a video on that yesterday, and the rest of them are here. So the other thing I want to get into and just mention to you, there's a trading website or bot, which is incredible as well, which is called 3Commas. I just tried it out last night, and I actually set it up and let it run all night. I kind of messed up the API from Binance. So if you've got an account with Binance, you can set up this trading bot called 3commas.io. It's a very simple process to set up. Once you've got a Binance account, you link them all together through an API. You obviously have to hold your cryptos in Binance. So if you're buying cryptos on an exchange, you can transfer it over to Binance and use that. It's pretty interesting, guys, honestly. I traded USDT, so I'm holding that, and basically it allocates like pairs through all the cryptocurrencies on the bot, and it's been really good, guys. I've actually made a profit, which is fantastic as well, but you need to have sort of like a maximum a minimum amount of, like, for example, USDT for basically the amount of transactions you want to go ahead with. So say, for example, if you want to have like 5 transactions going at one time, that'd be through like, for example, USDT to Bitcoin, USDT to Ethereum, or USDT to, XRP. You can have, up to 200 of them, but you'll need a ton of money to do that, obviously. But I've just tried it out on a couple of pairs, and it actually was really good, guys. It works really well. So I'm going to give you guys an update on that once I've had a few more days to get used to it. But it's been profitable so far, and it automatically trades for you, and it's been very good. So you basically, put in an amount of money, you put your what kind of profit you want to take, like if it's like 1 or 2% on the profit, and it takes that out, and then basically then you just continue reinvesting from there. Interesting bot, by the way, for those of you who are interested in getting involved in trading. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for sticking around. Make sure you smash the like button, turn on the little bell notification. Let's talk about it in the comments. What cryptos are you buying this week? Anything you wish to talk about? Peace, guys. Stay safe. Bye.